Hello viewers, I'm Advocate Kia Rawat from Lexis & Company. Today I'm going to talk about the 5 essential elements which makes a contract a legally binding contract. So, 5 elements of a legally binding contract are made up of an offer. Number 1 is offer, then acceptance of that particular offer, then consideration, then mutuality of obligation, then competency and capacity. Sometimes additional components are involved to protect the interests of all the parties. A contract involves 2 or more parties who are competent to enter into a legal binding contract agreement. While a contract can be verbal or implied, it is usually in writing. If a contract is enforceable, a court can compel the parties to follow through on what they agreed to in the contract. A legally enforceable contract is more than a casual promise between two friends. The purpose of a business contract is to place legal requirements on the parties to follow through on the agreement. The legal system is available to mediate if any party breaches the term of the contract. Now, number 1, as I have already told you, is the offer. An offer is verbal or written promise to take some actions or to refrain from acting in exchange for a set of agreed for a period of term. Now then, after making an offer, supposedly there are two parties, one gives an offer, another accepts that offer. So these are the two things which takes place in the first motion. Now acceptance, you all know, first party make the offer, another accepted it. Then the third stage is of consideration. Consideration is the value that each party brings into a contract. Then there is a mutuality of obligation. The mutuality of obligation is binding agreement between the parties to the terms of consideration. Then competency and capacity of that particular contract, and then there are other consideration which comes into the contract. So these are the 6 essential elements which makes a contract a legally binding contract. I hope you are clear with this concept. If not, then do let me know in the comment section so that I can clear up all your doubts regarding it. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video with some other legal topic.